Looking for a camera that keeps up with every adventure? The best action camera delivers stunning 4K footage, rugged durability, and seamless connectivity. Capture every thrill, from extreme sports to everyday moments, with clarity, speed, and style. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 13 action camera is the ultimate tool for adventurers and creators who demand professional-level performance in a compact, rugged design. Boasting best-in-class 5.3K 60 video, Hero 13 elevates video quality to an entirely new standard, capturing stunning detail with crisp clarity and vibrant color. The introduction of HB series lenses and a more powerful battery ensures that every moment can be recorded without interruption, whether you're exploring extreme sports or documenting everyday adventures. This camera is built for durability, with a design that withstands drops, shocks, and harsh weather conditions, giving users the freedom to take it anywhere without worry. Its CMOS photosensor technology captures rich imagery in both photos and video, supporting a wide range of lighting conditions, while the maximum 35mm focal length and f2 aperture allow creative flexibility for cinematic-style shots. The Hero 13 supports microSD memory cards, giving you ample storage for extended shoots, and its USB connectivity ensures easy transfer of files for post-production or sharing online. Whether you're vlogging, filming action sports, or capturing family adventures, the Hero 13's intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate settings and start recording in seconds. Legendary GoPro stabilization technology ensures smooth footage even during high-intensity activities, while features like Super Photo and HDR deliver enhanced detail and color accuracy in every shot. Number 2. Insta360 X5 Action Camera. The Insta360 X5 action camera redefines immersive filmmaking with its dual 1 and 1.28 sensors that shoot in 8K 30fps 360-degree video, delivering breathtaking clarity, vibrant colors, and exceptional dynamic range. Perfect for capturing extreme sports, travel adventures, or everyday moments, the X5 ensures that every angle is documented with cinematic precision. Its innovative triple AI chip design enhances low-light performance, applying advanced noise reduction and image processing to produce crisp, detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. One standout feature is the invisible selfie stick, which allows for unique third-person perspectives without visible equipment in your shot, while the Insta-Frame mode makes content creation seamless by instantly providing ready-to-share flat video. Flow state stabilization paired with 360-degree horizon lock eliminates shakiness, ensuring smooth, professional-quality footage regardless of how intense the action gets. The camera is also built to last, featuring fully replaceable, scratch-resistant lenses and a rugged, durable body to handle bumps, drops, and outdoor elements. With AI-assisted reframing, users can adjust perspectives after shooting, creating versatile content without complex editing tools. Number 3. DJI Osmo Pro Action Camera. The DJI Osmo Pro Action Camera is designed for creators who demand precision, stability, and stunning visuals in all conditions. Featuring a new 1.1.3 sensor, it excels in low-light environments, making nighttime cityscapes, biking adventures, and indoor sports footage look crisp and detailed. The Action 5 Pro incorporates a powerful 4nm chip, enabling fast and reliable subject tracking to ensure moving subjects remain in perfect frame, ideal for dynamic action shots. DJI's dual OLED touchscreens provide a vibrant and true-to-life viewing experience, making composition and review easy on the go. Ultra-stable footage is achieved with DJI's 360-degree horizon steady technology, which delivers smooth, level video even during intense movement or sports, removing the need for an external gimbal. Voice control adds convenience, allowing hands-free operation and enabling users to capture critical moments without interrupting the action. battery life is impressive, supporting up to 4 hours of continuous recording, which is essential for long adventures, extended vlogs, or professional shoots. The Osmo Pro supports a variety of shooting modes and formats, giving creators flexibility to experiment with frame rates, resolutions, and creative cinematic effects. Its rugged design ensures durability against drops, bumps, and challenging outdoor conditions. Number 4. XbotGo Chameleon Action Camera. The XbotGo Chameleon Action Camera offers an innovative approach to capturing sports and action moments, blending AI-powered features with a versatile, portable design. This camera transforms any environment into a fully automated studio, using the XBot Vision AI 2.0 algorithm to track over 20 sports with exceptional accuracy, whether you're playing soccer, basketball, gymnastics, or martial arts. The AI-assisted auto-editing functionality automatically generates highlight reels, edits videos in real time, and integrates live streaming capabilities directly to popular platforms, making content creation seamless and highly efficient. Equipped with a 120-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and 360-degree panoramic tracking, the Chameleon captures dynamic scenes from every perspective, ensuring no critical moment is missed. Its hardware is optimized for performance, featuring extended battery life, enhanced processing power, and durability suitable for rugged outdoor environments. The XbotGo app continuously updates, improving AI tracking and camera intelligence over time, providing users with a future-proof experience that evolves with their needs. Additionally, the camera supports effortless remote control and streaming, making it ideal for coaches, athletes, vloggers, and content creators who demand flexibility and innovation. Number 5. Insta360 X4 4K Wide Action Camera. The Insta360 X4 4K Wide Action Camera delivers a versatile, high-performance solution for creators seeking immersive, professional quality footage. With 360-degree video capture in 8K or 5.7K 60 FPS, the X4 ensures extraordinary clarity, color accuracy, and depth in every shot. Its AI-powered Insta360 app allows effortless reframing, so users can shoot freely and adjust perspectives later without worrying about precise alignment. The invisible selfie stick effect enables unique third-person viewpoints without equipment interfering in the frame, perfect for vloggers, athletes, or adventure enthusiasts. Additionally, the X4 doubles as a wide-angle 4K action camera, supporting 4K 60 FPS and an expansive 170 degrees max view at 4K 30 FPS, offering creative flexibility for both traditional and cinematic shots. Flow state stabilization combined with 360-degree horizon lock ensures ultra-stable footage even during high-intensity action or dynamic movements, allowing creators to capture smooth, professional-level video without additional stabilizing gear. Whether producing immersive 360-degree content or high-quality wide-angle video, the Insta360 X4 4K Wide Action Camera combines durability, versatility, and intelligent features to deliver an exceptional action camera experience, making it a top choice for creators who demand both flexibility and professional-grade results in every shot. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.